Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will unbox Euphorbia box for the month of December. If you don't know it already, Euphorbia is one of the most affordable box subscription in India. It is priced at a nominal rate of Rs 248 only, with additional 12 rupees as shipping charges, which I think is very genuine. Let's start unboxing. This is how the courier reached me, wrapped in beautiful gift wrapper. Looking at this courier packaging itself, I feel such beautiful gift. Once you remove the wrapper, this is how the box look like. This is a normal carton box and Euphorbia box logo is written over here. Once you open the box, this is how it looks from inside. Here we have one card which says happy subscribing, you are a secret Santa. Next we have the info card which lists all the products and their prices. We'll go through this later. This is how all the products have come, beautifully wrapped in bubble sheet so that nothing gets damaged. I'll quickly unbox all this and get back to you. First product that we have received is this Shea Caffeine Cold Cream with Vitamin E 25 ml bucket. So since it is winter, we all need cold cream, and that too this is from the brand M Caffeine, and as we know M Caffeine is very good brand. I have used many products from this brand M Caffeine. Let's open and see how this. So this is how the consistency of the cream look like. It is very thick cream. I'll apply a little bit and see how beautifully it is melting. It's basically like body butter, like the consistency of body butter. How beautifully it is getting absorbed within my skin. Very nice product. See, very moisturizing. So M Caffeine Shea Caffeine Cold Cream with Vitamin E. It is priced at Rs 359. Very good addition for the bag. Next we have got this lipstick here. This is from the brand ML Matte Look Lipstick. Shade that I have received is I hope you can see 107 Poppy Red. Let's see how this looks like. So this is how the lipstick look like. Very nice packaging. So we have the brand name ML Matte Look Matte Lipstick, and we also have the shade mentioned here. I mean, we can see the shade and shade number 107 Poppy Red mentioned here. Let's open this and see. Very beautiful red color. I'm not sure if camera is picking up the color correctly or not, but very beautiful color. Let's give it a switch. This is how the color looks like. Very beautiful color, corally red color. So this is 3.8 gram of product and it cost Rs 300. I really like the product, so let's keep it here. Third product that I have received is this lip balm from the brand Bath Sutra. This is a strawberry kiss lip polish. Again, all the products are curated considering the winter season, and it's very good addition. We all need lip balm throughout this season. It says handcrafted bath and skincare luxuries. So let's open. So it comes like this. We have a top protection level layer, and this is how the lip balm looks like. Very pretty pink color, and I don't know, by looking at this I feel like it is lip scrub, but let's try this. Very dry consistency. I don't know why. Oh yeah, so this is basically lip scrub only. So this is how you can scrub. Very minute exfoliators for your lips, so that it can be very gentle on your lips. I really like this product. It says contains sulfur free fine grain sugar, cold pressed coconut oil, sweet almond oil, vitamin E, papaya extract, flavors and colors, and it will be best before March 18th, and this product costs 250 rupees. Again, wonderful product to be added in a subscription box. My next product is this beautiful pair of earring. So this is how the earring look like. Very beautiful piece. If you can see this, very good quality. This is how the back side looks. Very nice. This earring is priced at rupees 199. Boho earring. And last but not the least, we have got this sample sized Bella feminine wash for maximum hygiene of intimate area, enriched with D-panthenol and allantoin. This is like complimentary gift. This will be very useful while traveling. So these are the products that I have received in my Euphorbia December box. Complete value for money. Hope you like this. If you want to order the same, all the details will be mentioned in the description box. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.